What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're just going to be cleaning up and detailing the cars. I found some leftover clay bar and wax, so I'm just going to spend some time waxing, cleaning up the front of my car. Josh is here cleaning his Camaro. Just got done having a little fun actually with a Porsche. How'd you say that race went, Josh?
Split decision.
Split decision, that's right. They still need one more run. So a little follow-up on the brakes. How are they doing now?
Brakes are good, man.
Yeah?
Stop.
They stop you? Pretty
clean. Clean and clear. Nice. No pulsating. And they're a lot stronger than the last ones, than the OEM ones, so.
Nice. This is dedication right here. It's raining, he's still washing his car. So the time has come. The new owner of these wheels are on their way. This is where I say goodbye. All right, so this is what I'm gonna be using today. This clay kit from Mother's. I had this when I did my roof wrap and the spoiler, and also this front right here. I had clayed all those before I wrapped them. And then I'm going to be using this Meguiar's cleaner wax. Now this is I've had these for a while just sitting in my garage, so figured might as well use it. Once I run out of this stuff, I'll probably get some new detailing stuff, but we'll start with this for now. All right, so first things first, we're gonna use this instant detailer that was provided along with the clay bar. Start cleaning off the hood. So now that I clay barred the whole hood, I don't have like a legit applicator. I'm just gonna put this on a microfiber towel, the wax. I'm gonna apply it on there, let it dry, then I'm gonna wipe it off with a different microfiber towel. All right, now that the wax is dry, I'm gonna go ahead, get another microfiber towel and dry it off. Sorry, not dry it off, wipe it off. Smooth. Bo? What a great mug shot. So Rocky got tired of helping me wax the car, taking his little break. So in case you guys couldn't notice, I just got some new lights in the garage, so filming will be a lot easier. I don't have to have the garage door open when I'm working on things. I could just run the fans, run that AC, and it won't be as bad because, you know, the number one thing that I always complain about is how hot it is in Florida. In case you guys didn't see what's over there, hint hint, future video coming. Also, my wheels are finally gone. Sold them for about $600, all 4 stock STI wheels with the lug nuts. So, just got done clay barring the hood, clay barred the front bumper, and I waxed the hood and the front bumper, and that's all I'm gonna do today. Maybe next weekend, different day, I'll do the 2 fenders and slowly work my way back towards the back of the car. Just time consuming, I don't have enough time to do all that today. So I'm gonna go ahead, pull the car out, take some shots of the car since it's been a while since I had a little photo shoot with it, so let's get into that. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. I do have some future videos coming up. I have a downpipe install. I have some license plate LED lights I gotta put on. And there are some other parts I'm planning on ordering. I'm gonna be stage 2 pretty soon, but stage 3 is not gonna be that far away. So Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you guys on the next one. Thanks.